In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Line account. Verifying your account links a reachable email to Line so you can recover access, sign in on new devices, and keep your profile secure. I'll walk you through the process clearly with a few tips to help you avoid common hiccups. Start by launching your Line app. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet network, Wi-Fi, or cellular, and that the app is up to date so the menus look as expected. If you're asked to log in, go ahead and sign in using your usual method. Enter your credentials carefully and confirm the country code if you use a phone number. If you use a password manager, let it autofill so you avoid typos. If you run into any trouble here, take a moment to reset your password before continuing, then return to the app. From the main screen, tap the Home tab. In the top right corner, look for the gear icon to open Settings. On most devices, it's a small cog, and tapping it will take you straight into Line's Settings menu. If you don't see it immediately, check that you're on Home rather than Chats or the timeline. Inside Settings, choose Account. This is where Line stores your sign-in and recovery details. Next, select email address. You may see whether an address is already linked. If it's unverified or blank, you're in the right place to set it up. Enter the email address you want to use. Pick one you can access right now, and ideally, one you'll keep long-term. Double-check the spelling before you continue. Small typos are the most common reason verification fails. Avoid using a shared email. This address will help secure your account. Now, head to your inbox for the 6-digit verification code Line just sent. It usually arrives within a minute. If you don't see it, wait a bit, then check your spam or junk folder and search for messages from Line. Keep the app open or switch back to it once the code arrives. Codes can expire, so use the most recent one you received and never share it with anyone. Type the 6 digits exactly as shown. It's numbers only. Once the code is accepted, your email is verified and linked to your Line account. You should see a confirmation on screen. From here on, you'll have a smoother time recovering your account, moving to a new phone, and keeping your information safe. That's it. Quick, clear, and secure. Thanks for watching, and you're all set with a verified Line account.